Hi, I'm Koi. I'm the project manager of this project, and today I'm here with my IoT developer Zung. We will represent for the group H to uh, report the sprint one. Okay. So today our presentations will contain four main parts. The first one is the project overview, where we give a general uh, this we will give general descriptions about our project, and then I will introduce some security and quality measurements. Then my college he will talk more about the IoT device, and finally we will show you the demos. Yeah. Okay. So let's begin with the first part. This is our uh, applications. So this is the data flow. It starts from the sensor applications. It has some features such as frequency detector, smart key collecting humidity and temperature data, relay monitoring, and light monitoring. Then it was sent to the backend side. In the backend side, there are several stuff. The first one is the API, where is the communication between each field, such as front end and IoT field. Then here in backend, we use Firebase to create authentication service and also store the user and data and so on. We also use InfluxDB to store the embedded device data such as the humidity, temperature, and so on. And finally, we will deploy the backend service and database through Alibaba service and deploy the project using Vercel. Then from the backend side, we will create API to send the data back to the front end side. Here is the admin page. Admin page has several functions. The first one is display sensor data, um, including humidity, temperature, and it also has the function to alert admin in case detect strange logs frequency. Yeah. Then it also display the booking schedule, including the private facilities and general facilities. User will come to the homepage, and based on the user privilege, they may navigate to the admin or client page. And the client page, there they we have a booking features. Yeah. Next, we got the security and quality measurements. About the security, so as I mentioned before, we use Firebase authentications. It doesn't share the user password, so which means that we don't store user password in the database, just some uh, basic informations about the user, and that's all. And about the quality measurements, I'm in charge of this stuff. So I will use Jest or maybe Mocha to test the unit testing, Selenium driver to test the uh, UI, and the last one I use integration testing to test the API to make sure the app runs well. And next, in the third part, my college will talk more about the IoT device.
Firstly, about the frequency detector, we can scan the area to know that if there are strange signal around and make a warning message to admin. The next one is smart key. We apply it for NFC as a key, so ID the resort and the customer worry about losing the key. It is also easier to use than a compact key. The next one, we collecting the humidity and temperature and show it on the UI so admin and user can observe it. After that, the relay monitoring is used whenever the customer forgot to turn off a device. We can use it to turn off that device remotely. The last one is light monitoring. Whenever the customer is go out and forgot to turn off the light, we can turn off that light remotely It also can be used as a reservation light. Its purpose is to see the room is reserved or not from the outside without checking the database or else.
And this is the final part, the demo part. You can find the further informations through this GitHub link in there. We also have the some other documentations and also uh, the Google Drive for the demo. Thank yeah, and thank you for listening.